welcome to my 12 Days of Christmas playlist. Simple woodwork projects made out of scrap wood and offcuts, aimed at beginners with my usual standard of that'll do. So day 1 was all about the crickets, day 2 is all about Buddy Holly. The plan was to use the offcuts from the silver birch cricket band, but I left them outside. It's the UK, it rained, they are wet, they're useless. So onto a different stick, which Bailey has collected for me during the summer. I put into place a simple stop block to make sure that my repeat cuts are all the same. And then I make the repeat cuts to make these gorgeous cookies. And then another one. And then another one. And then I adjust the stop block and then I cut their heads off. This will give them that snowman look. Okay, on the workbench we can see that's the look we're going for. And we'll put some tape on a drill as a depth stop. Drill a hole in the base. Put a dowel in. Drill a hole in the legs, put a dowel in, drill a hole in the body, put a dowel in, put the head on top. Simple. Then we'll drill the holes for the arms. One goes up, one goes down. We'll drill a hole at the top for the hairpiece. Yep, that's still what I'm calling it. Okay, Bailey finishes his guard duty and he comes back into the workshop and he'll go and stare at the biscuit barrel over by the pallet slat wall. Right, next is find a couple of twigs and stick them in as arms. As I say, one goes up, one goes down. Right, I bought this sponge dabber from a kiddie's paint kit. I'll use it to put black paint on for his eyes and his buttons. I then take an offcut of the pine wood and with a chisel make a little nose and add that. Add a smiley face with a brand new black Sharpie pen, because that's nice and simple and easy. Right, close up on Buddy Holly to finish, and he can then join the band later on. And then start preps for day 3 and day 4, which is Ian, Jury and the Blockheads. Thinking about joining me?